In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send HTML email in Gmail. To get started, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account and that you are looking at your inbox. Starting from the inbox is helpful because it makes it easy to find the Compose button and confirm you are sending from the right mailbox before you add any HTML content. Next, click Compose. This opens a new message window where you can build your email. You will see fields for the recipient, the subject line, and the main message area. For sending an HTML email, the most important part is the message body, since that is where your formatted content will appear. Now, click in the recipient area and select the contact you want to email. If Gmail suggests an address as you type, you can click the suggested contact to add it to the To field. This helps reduce mistakes and ensures the message is addressed correctly before you move on to formatting. After that, click inside the body of the email where you want your HTML content to appear. Then highlight the content you want to work with. Highlighting is important because it tells Gmail exactly what text or section you intend to format or replace. Take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct portion, especially if you have multiple lines in the draft. Continue by highlighting the relevant area again as needed, so the exact text you want to affect is selected. Being precise here helps you avoid accidentally changing the wrong part of the message, particularly when you are preparing an email that needs consistent spacing, alignment, or styling. Once your content is selected, click Insert. This is the action used in this workflow to bring your prepared HTML content into the email editor area. After inserting, review the message body carefully to make sure the formatting appears the way you expect in Gmail. If anything looks off, reselect the affected area and repeat the insert action until the layout is correct. Before sending, it is a good habit to quickly scan the recipient field and the email body one more time to confirm everything is in place and readable. And that is all there is to it.